Today we're on the hunt for rare Pokemon cards. We found some last week. Let's see if we can do it again. Alright, we're seeing what Walmart has in stock, and we have the Battle Academy. Of course, we've seen that quite a few times. Here we have Paldea Evolved. I know we've seen this. We always see like one of these in the store. I mean, a really cool promo. I think this is going for like 45 bucks. That's probably a pretty good pickup if you've seen it in store. I would recommend grabbing that. It's getting a little harder to find too. We have a Crown Zenith. I haven't seen this in a while. Regieleki V. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of Crown Zenith. That's a really nice looking set. Ooh, so shiny. Let's look at the back here. Okay, well, they didn't really spend as much time on the back. What do we got over here? We have the Shrouded EX Premium Collection, which we've seen quite a few times. 3 6-packs inside. There you go. You got your Shrouded EX promo there. Your nice sleeves. I like that blue card holder that they have there. What do we got? Twilight Masquerade inside. Is that what? Temporal Forces back there and some Paradox Rift. We also have Obsidian Flames still in stock here, just hanging up on the rack, and some Scarlet and Violet base and Obsidian Flames inside of there as well. We have some C23 tins here in stock. This is not going to be Evolving Skies inside. Those would be inside of C22. Oh no, all the packs. They took all the packs and they just left. Wow, and they just left the promo. This is about as close as we're getting to Pokemon cards this week. We got a Squirtle. We got a Teddy Ursa. Should I just buy these, guys? Should I just buy the Jigglypuff? What do you think, Jigglypuff? You and me? We got a man down. The Lorcana has been compromised. Here we are at the front of the store. We have Tyranitar EX collection here. We've seen this a few times. It's getting a little more rare to find as well. There you have your sleeves and your Tyranitar promo and your little yellow holder there. Quite a few packs in here, 6, just like the Shrouded EX. Up here we have, what? A bunch of C23 tins. Yes, that is what's up here. The Shrouded Fable Kingdra set. Wow, this has been out of stock for quite a while. Everybody's after the Greninja, but doesn't that Kingdra look really cool? Trick or Trade still in stock. I don't even know what they're doing with that. In your Charizard EX Premium Collection here. Before we get too deep into this video, I want to show you something about Prismatic Evolutions that you might not have seen. This just came out, but God packs might be possible in Prismatic Evolutions. And the only reason I say may be possible, I mean could be fake, but I tend to err on the side of this actually being real because he'd have to have all these cards already to make this happen. And usually these are like live, right? I'm not sure the creator here. I'll see if I can find their name at the end of this, but here is, I guess, proof that God packs do exist. I mean, the set is already so crazy, and now you have this kind of hype around it. Wild. Okay, is the Umbreon included? I'm thinking Umbreon's last. I don't even know what to say about that. Let's see what Target has in stock. It looks like we have, what do we have over here? Mass Bostiff EX. Inside of here looks like a Brilliant Stars, 2 Scarlet and Violet base, which is, yeah, that's not good at all for $16. Lots of the Charizard EX Super Premium Collection still in stock. I knew this was going to stick around for a while, but yeah, it's been around for quite a while now. I saw a deal for these for, I think $50 online earlier this week. Stellar Crown, Twilight Masquerade inside of here. A couple more, but for the value, it's not really worth it. You do get this Charizard stand, which holds a card. So if you're interested in that and you haven't picked that up yet, $70, $80, you can find it cheaper elsewhere. Meddling Sparks, a chance at Evolving Skies in these, but it's $50, so not really worth the gamble in my opinion. The Tropicos Ultra Premium Collection still in stock, $120 for this guy. I'm not thinking that's the deal for me. I think I've seen this for as low as 80 other places, so keep that in mind if you're looking for this. And if you want these promos specifically, you can probably get these just cheaper by themselves online. Digimon. They got Digimon now? I don't know about that. I'm seeing too many things that don't look like they're gonna stick around. The Skibidi Toilet, you got more Digimon over here, some Dragon Ball Z, and of course your Lorcana. I don't know about Lorcana. It seems to really just kind of sit on shelves right now. This message is specifically for my fellas. If you have a lady out there, beaver shoes. These beaver shoes, a sure way to win her heart. They are in stock here at Walmart too. If you guys are still looking for the Golden Girls 2025 16-month calendar, it is in stock. You have Ruth, you have Sophia, you have Gimli, and you have Brungus here, all inside this calendar, which is a great find for me. If you're interested in playing the game, you have these in these Zeraora packs, which are like battle packs. I think that's maybe what they're called. One ready to play 60 card deck, your rule book, everything you need to play is inside of these. So if that is your goal, these are a good place to start for 15 bucks. Not a bad deal at all. Don't buy these things, guys. These are stinkers. This is no good. You got a foil in there and 20 cards for $7. It's never going to be like a special illustration rare, anything you actually would want. Over here we have 2 Pokeballs. I'm going to guess A24 and A24. Oh yeah, that's what we got. Also a bad thing to buy would be this. Don't buy this. Look, these packs are freaking... It's open. It's open, dude. Nah, you don't want that. Those aren't going to be in there. Now, I know we're not finding a lot on the shelves, but I was able to find some of these early this morning, and maybe you guys will have a chance to get some too pretty soon. I think tomorrow stores like Target and Walmart might have these available, or actually even today. So keep an eye out at Target and Walmart. Join the Discord. I'm going to post if this is actually live. But here it is on the Pokemon Center website. This is Journey Together. It's the new set that's coming out. It has a lot of the Pokemon trainers from the current game. So if you've played the current game, you know who these characters are and their Pokemon, of course. You have the Elite Trainer box, which also dropped today. I think this is going to be a mid-range set. I don't think this is going to be a hugely popular set, just because it's a lot of the newer Pokemon and newer characters, which a lot of the newer players are, I think skew on the older range. I think like, mid-30s. And they're getting back into this now, and they're not super familiar with these characters. So here is the Elite Trainer box. This will have a specific promo stamped card. We don't know what it is right now. I'm thinking their best play here is if they had the Misty with Psyduck. Huge, easy win to make this box like go super crazy. But this did sell out within an hour of going live. So if you ever do see these on shelves, I recommend picking them up. $26.94 here for the booster bundle. That's 6 packs. That's like a little over $5 a pack, I want to say. Here are the sleeved booster packs for $4.49 each. All of this went live today. All of it sold out almost immediately. Now, I don't want to say it's a shame that this sold out so fast, because there are purchase limits on all of these. The booster box, purchase limit of 6. The ETB, purchase limit of 2. These, purchase limit of 5. And here, the sleeved, I'm not sure how many were limited there, but I do think there was a limit. And something else I want you to know is these enhanced booster display box, they're called enhanced because they have a promo card inside. Now, I've heard that this promo card is not Pokemon Center exclusive. It is just like a promo you can get anywhere else. I don't think it's going to be the Pokemon Center logo, so other stores can sell these and it'll have that promo inside. I think they're going to release just a normal version, but we're just going to have to wait and see what they do, because this is something completely new, and this is probably why at that price point those sold out immediately. What we're experiencing is probably the peak FOMO of all time in Pokemon. I think this is more of a rush than we've ever had in the hobby. A good example of that is exactly what happened on the Pokemon Center. Best Buy did have some come out today, and GameStop also had some releases today, but those were also immediately sold out. I saw right when it went live and it was immediately sold out. So it's likely that bots got these, and it's sad to say that, but it does happen. Bots are a problem. We all know that. Limiting the order number is the best way around it. The Pokemon Center, I think, did a good job today. Their website did go down for at least an hour, maybe 2 hours, because of how much demand was just for this set, which isn't even a very hype set. If anything, I would say the set looks a bit mid. It looks okay, but ultimately what people are after in the hobby right now, it's pretty apparent. They want first gen, and I know that that gets old and that gets a little tiring, but that is what people seem to want and value the most.